AI isn't going to replace your job, but it is going to make you an extra $200 per day in 2025. While everyone's panicking about AI taking over, I've figured out how to use it as my secret weapon to build an extremely profitable business, one that runs almost entirely on autopilot. And I'm about to show you exactly how I'm leveraging it to do so. Now, here's the crazy part. The service I'm providing used to take me hours to fulfill for every single client. Now with AI, I can deliver the same results in just a few minutes per week. That means I can serve more clients, charge premium rates, and work less while making more money. Now, without wasting any more time, let me show you the business model that's making this all possible. And make sure to stick around because I'm going to give you the specific ChatGPT prompts that you can copy and paste to start delivering professional results immediately. So, what am I actually doing for these businesses? I help local companies optimize their Google business profiles. You know those little listings that show up when someone searches plumber near me or HVAC repair in Denver? These businesses desperately need professional content, regular posts, good photos, and review management to get more customers, but they don't have the time or skills to do it themselves. That's where I come in, using AI as my secret weapon. I find businesses with weak profiles. I use AI to create everything they need in minutes instead of hours. And I charge them $300 to $500 per month for ongoing optimization. Now, each new customer is worth hundreds to thousands of dollars to these businesses, so they're happy to pay premium rates for the results. Now, here's what you need to understand about why businesses pay for my services instead of doing it themselves. Business owners are already working 40 to 60 hours a week running their companies. They're managing employees, they're serving their customers, they're handling paperwork, and dealing with suppliers. The last thing they want to do is spend hours trying to figure out Google's algorithm. Even if they have access to the same AI tools we do, they don't have the knowledge or experience to use them effectively. They don't know which prompts work best, how to optimize for local search, or what type of content actually converts browsers into buyers. Now that's where you and I come in as the expert. You become an expert simply by having more knowledge than they do. And after watching this video, you will have this expert knowledge. You don't need a degree in marketing or years of experience. You just need to understand how these systems work better than a busy plumber or roofer does. Now, let me show you exactly how ChatGPT can transform every aspect of a Google business profile. It's important to first understand the overall idea of what we're doing for these businesses. And here it is. We are going to find a business that needs help, optimize it with AI, and get paid by them monthly for ongoing work. And here's how you're going to do all that. One is through business descriptions. Most businesses have terrible keyword stuffed descriptions that sound robotic. ChatGPT can create compelling, professional descriptions that actually convert visitors into customers. Now here's the exact prompt that I use. I tell Chat, write a compelling 750 character Google business profile description for insert business name, insert service type, company in insert city and state. Include these services, and I list them out. Focus on relatability, local expertise, and customer satisfaction. Use keywords naturally and include a strong call to action. The second thing we're going to focus on is weekly content creation. Now, Google loves fresh content, but business owners hate creating it. ChatGPT solves this perfectly. My content prompt goes like this. Create 4 Google business profile posts for insert business name. Include 1 promotional post about a current offer, 1 educational tip related to X service, 1 before and after project showcase, and 1 seasonal/community post. Each post should be at least 300 words, loaded with helpful and relative information. This gives them a month's worth of content in about 30 seconds. Next, we're going to focus on review response management. Responding to reviews professionally is crucial, but also time-consuming. With ChatGPT, we can handle this flawlessly. Now, My review response prompt looks like this. Write a professional response to this Google review for insert business name. The tone should be grateful and professional. If it's a positive review, thank them and encourage future business. If negative, address concerns professionally and offer to resolve the issues. Keep it under 100 words, and then you paste in the review text. Okay, now let's talk about service descriptions. Google lets you add individual service descriptions, but most businesses just leave these blank or write boring lists. My service optimization prompt for ChatGPT looks like this. Write compelling descriptions for these services offered by business name. And then I list out the services. Each description should be 2 to 3 sentences, include benefits to the customer, and use relevant keywords naturally. Focus on results and customer value. We're also going to focus on Q&A optimization. The questions and answers section is often neglected, but it's prime real estate for keywords and conversions. My Q&A prompt looks like this. Generate 10 frequently asked questions and professional answers for insert business name, insert service type, company. Include questions about pricing, service area, availability, guarantees, and process. Answers should be helpful and include relevant keywords naturally. And there's that. Optimizing these small elements of the Google Business Profile makes such a big difference for these local businesses. They don't have the time or realize it, but fixing these elements can be the difference between somebody choosing their business over one of their competitors. You're helping them generate more business, and you get paid for doing so. And here's the beautiful part. Once you set up these AI systems, maintaining them takes minimal time. I spend maybe 10 to 15 minutes per week per client, but they pay me $300 to $500 monthly because the results are so valuable. Now, this is the reality. Anybody can do this. It has an extremely low barrier to entry. If you have a computer, you'll be able to do all of the work needed. Other than that, you need a ChatGPT account, which is free, by the way, to create all the content. You'll also need a basic understanding of Google Business Profiles. After watching this video, you have that, and also all the AI prompts I use to get the optimization done. And then you just have to contact these businesses. With your new knowledge, you can literally start this week if you wanted to. Just find a local business with a weak profile, optimize it using the prompts I shared, and show them the improvements. Once you do that, $300 to $500 per month is yours. While everyone else is worried about AI replacing jobs, smart people are using it to create new income streams. This business model works because you're solving real problems for local businesses that generate real revenue. You're not competing on price, you're just delivering results that business owners can't achieve themselves, even with access to all the same tools. The difference is knowledge, systems, and execution. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI business strategies. I'll be making more videos on this unknown business model and how you can profit with it. The opportunity is massive. The tools are ready and the businesses are waiting. The only question is whether you'll get started.